is 6:54 right now. Let's take a look at the stories we're following for you this morning. Marie?
The number of coronavirus cases in Alabama is continuing to rise this morning. Right now, there are 1,106 cases on record statewide. 107 of those cases are in Madison County. The Alabama Department of Public Health has confirmed 17 deaths from coronavirus. 3 of those deaths are in our area. Right now, that number 28 on your screen is the number of reported deaths that the health department is looking into. Rodnia?
12 more Huntsville Hospital System employees are now fighting the coronavirus. We know 6 of them work here in Madison County. 15 staffers are self-quarantined after coming into contact with someone infected. The CEO of Huntsville Hospital told us this is not having an impact on staffing. He also told us next week the lab here in Huntsville should be able to process test results. Sierra.
This morning, we spoke to Lincoln County School Superintendent Dr. Heath. He told us Tennessee schools are closed until at least April 24th, but they're preparing just in case that closure lasts until the end of the school year. Right now, teachers are contacting students and their families to stay in touch and ask what they need going forward. Pat.
Huntsville and Crestwood hospitals are now requiring everyone inside their hospitals to wear masks. Right now, the hospitals are working to get the supplies to make this possible. The policy will begin once those supplies come in. Marie?
The North Alabama Coalition for the Homeless is putting a plan in place to see if they start to see a spike of coronavirus cases in the homeless population. A grant called the Emergency Food and Shelter Program, they say, would allow them to rent hotel rooms to quarantine those who are infected. Pat?
Later on today, we expect many updates from local officials immediately following our Way 31 midday news. We will hear from Madison County and Huntsville leaders. That's at noon today. And then later on tonight, we expect to hear from Huntsville City school leaders. They have a special meeting called tonight at 5:30. Rob?